The Dodge Charger has always been a powerful contender in the world of American muscle cars. With its bold lines and powerful engine options, it's a favorite among enthusiasts who love a mix of performance and style. But what if you could take the Charger's already impressive design and make it even more eye-catching? Well, that dream is about to become a reality with a new wide-body kit designed specifically for the 2015 Plus Dodge Charger. This wide-body kit comes courtesy of GOM, an automotive 3D artist behind the popular social media account GOM Styling. Known for creating impressive CGI designs and custom wide-body kits for a variety of vehicles, GOM has been on a roll lately, designing kits for everything from the 2015-2023 Dodge Challenger to the Chevrolet Camaro and even the Nissan 370Z. But his latest project might just be his most exciting one yet, the 2015 Plus Dodge Charger Widebody Kit. The kit isn't just about adding a little flair. It transforms the Charger into a true muscle machine with a more aggressive stance and sporty appearance. The kit includes fender flares, bumper add-ons, and door extensions, giving the Charger a wider, more menacing look. When combined with aftermarket 5-spoke chrome wheels and a slammed attitude, the wide-body kit turns this already iconic sedan into something that will certainly turn heads wherever it goes. Now let's talk about the price. For those of you who have been dreaming of giving your Charger a makeover, this wide-body kit comes at a price of $3,500. To put things into perspective, that's about the same cost as the Apple Vision Pro, the high-tech augmented reality headset that's been making waves lately. While you could opt for a piece of cutting-edge technology like the Vision Pro, why not invest that money into something that will make your muscle cars stand out even more on the road? It's important to note that GOM, the creator behind the digital designs, isn't the one handling the fabrication. Instead, the kit will be produced by Fortune Automotive Design Inc., a company that specializes in vehicle customization. This means you're not just getting a fancy digital concept, you're getting a professionally crafted wide-body kit designed to fit your Dodge Charger perfectly. This is not just for those who want to add some style to their vehicle, it's for those who want to take their Charger to the next level. The added width from the fender flares and bumper modifications not only gives the Charger a more aggressive look, but also enhances its performance by allowing for better handling, stability, and a more commanding presence on the road. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on tight corners, the wide-body kit will make sure your Charger stands out and performs like a true muscle car. Now, some may wonder if the Dodge Charger even needs a wide-body kit in the first place. After all, the Charger already has a wide-body version that offers an aggressive look right off the factory line. However, this new kit goes beyond the factory version by offering a more customized, unique design that you won't see on every other Charger out there. With its enhanced style and performance benefits, it's perfect for those looking to make their Charger truly their own. The wide-body kit for the 2015 Plus Dodge Charger is currently available for pre-order, meaning you can secure yours before it's officially released. With only a few weeks to go before the official rollout, this is your chance to be one of the first to add this eye-catching upgrade to your muscle car. For those who have been on the fence about how to customize their Charger, this wide-body kit may be the perfect solution. So what do you think? Is the Dodge Charger wide-body kit worth the investment? Would you rather go for the Apple Vision Pro, or are you ready to turn your muscle car into a road king with this bold upgrade? Either way, one thing's for sure, this kit will make your Dodge Charger stand out in a big way.